Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to send money to Zimbabwe using the Remitly app. So you just have to open the Remitly app, and on the home page you just have to tap on the top left corner to choose the country. Type in Zimbabwe in our case. Then you have to add first you have to tap on the get started icon on the bottom of the screen. Then type in the amount of money that you would like to send. And on the top you're going to see your local currency, and below that you can see the same amount in the recipient country's currency. Then tap on continue again. To choose the delivery method, we have bank deposit, cash pickup and mobile money. So just choose the one that you prefer. Choose a bank if you use bank deposit. Then you have to add the recipient's bank account number. Then tap on continue again. To add the first name and last name of the recipient, tap on continue. You can also add the phone number of the recipient, but you can also skip this step if you prefer. And the last step is going to be adding the debit and credit card details, debit or credit card details. So the Remitly app can charge your card just as a normal internet payment, and the recipient is going to receive the amount in his bank account. So that's pretty much it. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next one.